In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to transfer money from an Apple gift card to your bank account and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if we can transfer money that we have in Apple gift cards to a bank account, we can head into the Apple website where we can find the Apple gift card session. As you can see, they have a dedicated summary page teaching us how this process works and how we can go about to redeem this money into our Apple accounts. You will notice that in this summary page, there is no mention of transferring to a bank account. We only have the redeem option, and when we click this, like I said before, we will be able to transfer the money into an Apple account. However, as you might expect, there is no option to transfer directly to a bank account. This is because, as you can see, according to the legal terms and conditions of the Apple Store, you will not be able to transfer any money from an Apple gift card to a bank account. Unfortunately, the only thing that you can do with Apple gift cards is to redeem them to your Apple account. You will be able to find this article teaching you how to transfer Apple Cash instead. But, like I said in the beginning, you will not be able to transfer money from an Apple gift card directly to a bank account. You will need to have some Apple Cash in your Apple account before you can transfer it to a bank account. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of transferring money from an Apple gift card to a bank account. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.